Venture to the high-altitude waters of Lake Titicaca in the Andes and you'll encounter the charming Titicaca frog. These aquatic amphibians are not just adorable, they're also the world's largest aquatic frog species. Their unusual appearance and gentle disposition make them an endearing symbol of the region, but they're facing threats due to habitat loss and pollution. Join us on this journey to discover the unique world of the Titicaca frog and the importance of preserving this iconic amphibian. Dive into the beauty of Lake Titicaca's remarkable inhabitants